Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that like and subscribe button. Today we will be making these beautiful flowers. These are made in 3 rounds if you count the center as well, and they have 8 petals. They look a bit difficult, but believe me, they are very easy. And for this one I even made a string stem so that I can use it as a bookmark even. So let's start. The stitches that you need to know are slip stitch, half double and double, along with of course chain stitch. So I'm using this tapestry yarn for the center. I think you can get plenty of colors by getting these what do you call them? I have no idea what do you call them, and get plenty of colors in them instead of getting balls of different yarns. So we will start our center by making a slip knot and then making a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are making chain of 5 because we are going to make 8 double crochets in our center. You will make your circle and then make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain is our first double crochet. Then you will chain one more. This is chain 1. Now we will make next second double crochet and chain 1. So in these chain 1 spaces we are going to make our petals in the second round. So we have made 3 double crochets so far and 3 chains, and in this way I will make my all 8 double crochets and chains, and I'll crochet above my tail end as well. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and this is my last chain 1, and I will join with the first chain 3. Let's have a look at it and count once again. I do not trust myself with counting stitches, and I have. So we will make sure that we have 8 double crochets and 8 spaces before cutting our yarn and securing our tail ends. And then we will start the next round. I'll be using this wine red color for my flower. I have been using this color a lot because it turns out really well in not only in the videos but in real life as well. So join anywhere in the chain 1 space and make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. You can start by making standing double crochet as well, and we will make 3 double crochets joined together. So this is my first double crochet. Now I'll make my second, but I'll not finish it, and then I'll make my third, and I'll not finish it, and then I'll finish all of them together. I'll chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4 in between my petals, where we will put our petals in the next round. So this space between 2 petals has 4 chains, and in the next chain 1 space I will make my 3 double crochets together. So first couple of petals will be a bit awkward, but then you will get the hang of it, hopefully. 1 2 3 and 4, and in the next chain 1 space. So I have total 4 loops, and I will slide all of them together and make my 4 chains, and in the next chain 1 space. This is round 2 of our flower. Let's start the next round. In next round we will make slip stitch, 1 slip stitch, 1 half double, 3 double, 1 half double and 1 slip stitch in the chain 4 space. So let's start. So I will slip stitch, then I will make a half double, then I will make my double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Now I will make my half double and my slip stitch. In the next space I will make my slip stitch, my half double, my double, my second double and third. Now I will make half double and slip stitch. Next, slip stitch, half double, and last will be slip stitch as well. Let's cut our yarn and look at our flower. This is what our flower looks like. I will slip stitch my yarn a couple of times to secure it, and then let's weave in the tail. I'll use a smaller hook. You can use tapestry needle, whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever is your tried and tested method. This is the starting tail, and again I will pull it through my flower. And you can see that though this yarn is same, but the difference of center is making this flower shine and vibrant, and this is a bit dull. Poor dear. So I hope you really enjoyed this very simple 8-petal flower, and I really hope that you will have fun with it, and you can see the difference between lightweight yarn and medium weight yarn, and if you decide to use even a bigger yarn, you will get a totally different impact. So I really hope that you had fun, and if you are planning to make a stem tail like this, then you will attach it somewhere. Here attach your yarn at the back in your center double crochets, and then make a chain. I hope you will have fun making this flower, and you will make plenty of them to decorate stuff around your house or as bookmarks. And I'll see you next time with a new project. Till then, take care.